Tremaja, 78, who was convicted for biting off the tongue of a man who forcefully tried to kiss her, has been acquitted in a retrial some 6 decades after the incident took place. The Busan District Criminal Court cleared her of all charges on Wednesday afternoon. The court said there was insufficient evidence regarding her causing serious injury and ruled her actions could be deemed as a form of self-defense. At 18 on May 6, 1964, she was sentenced to 10 months in prison, suspended for 2 years for biting off about 1.5 centimeters of the tongue of a man who allegedly tried to rape her. She argued at the time that it was self-defense, but the court rejected her plea. The man was sentenced to 6 months in prison, suspended for 2 years on trespass and intimidation charges, but not for attempted rape, and actually received a lighter penalty than hers. She saw the retrial in May 2020, 56 years later, but the district and appellate courts dismissed it, saying there was no proof that prosecutors had detained her illegally or forced her to agree to making statements that were untrue. Despite the ruling of the lower courts, Korea's Supreme Court overturned the previous verdict, citing sufficient circumstantial evidence that supported her claims and ordered a review of court rulings, news reports, inmate lists, and case records. As a consequence, the Busan High Court accepted her appeal. As a result of the High Court ruling on July 23rd, prosecutors asked for her acquittal, saying her actions as a victim of sexual violence carried no illegality. They admitted prosecutors had failed their duty to protect victims not only from crime but also from prejudice and secondary harm. Referring to her by name, not as defendant, prosecutors formally apologized, saying she suffered indescribable pain when she should have been protected as a victim.